Hello everyone, I am Karthik, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, we will solve some predicate calculus problems. Our problem is show that for all x, p of x, then q of x, and for all x, q of x, then r of x implies for all x, p of x, then r of x. From these two premises, we have to find the answer is for all x, p of x, then r of x, right? This is also this problem also by previous method, that is theory of inference, right? Okay. First I introduce one premise, that is first premise is for all x, p of x, then q of x. So first step is our first premise is for all x, p of x, then q of x. This is our first premise. Here root p, because I didn't use any formulas given premises, so root, right? In predicate calculus, first we have to remove for all x and there exists terms. So I use rule US. US is used to remove for all x. Okay, so here I use rule US. If I apply rule US in this term, for x term can be cancelled and p of x then q of x can be written as p of y then q of y. We have to change the variable, that's why I change x to y. This is also from I get from premise number 1. This is our step 2, right? Next I introduce our second premise for all x, q of x, then r of x. This is our third premises. This is number first premises. This is second premises. This is third premises. Third is for all x, q of x, then r of x. This is given premise. So I get rule p. Okay. In this premise also we have to cancel for all x. So again I use rule US. By using rule US, we can cancel the for all x. So this one can be written as q of y, then r of y. This premise also get from 3. So here also 3. This is number step number 4, right? Now consider step 2 and step 4. See, p of y to q of y, q of y to r of y. We have formula p to q, q to r can be written as r. So p to q, q to r can be written as p to r. So p of y to r of y. Here I use formula. So rule p, the formula is p then q, q then r implies r. Every time we mention the use of formula, right? Here this premise is get from premise number 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. This is step number 5. See, our answer is p of x to r of x. Our term is p of y to r. Next we introduce for all x in premise number 1 and 3. So I use rule UG. This is step number 6. 6 is from premise 1 and 3. I use rule UG for introduce for all x in this term. For all x, p of x to r of x by rule UG. Here I applied a rule UG. That's why I change variable y to x. See, the final answer is for all x, p of x, then r of x. See, this is our final answer. See, our problem is show that for all x, p of x to q of x, and for all x, q of x to r of x implies for all x, p of x, then r of x. Right? First, we introduce one premise. Our first premise is for all x, p of x, then q of x. Here I write given place. So here I mentioned the rule P. Okay. Next, in predicate terms, first we have to remove for all x symbol and their exists symbol, right? So by neglecting for all x, we use rule US. By applying the rule US formula, this term should be cancelled, and we have to change the variable. That's why I changed x to y, p of y to q of y, right? Next, I introduce the second premise for all x, q of x, that r of x, right? Here also we have for all x, right? By using again rule US, we can cancel for all x term. After that, we get q of y, then r of y. By applying formula, we can change the variable x to y, x to y, right? We have formula p to q, comma q to r is r. See, step number 2 and 4, p to q, q to r. So, by step 2 and step 4, we can write directly p to r, right? That's why py to r, right? Next, I introduce for all x. So, I use rule UG. By using rule UG, we can write for all x, p of x to r of x. Here, the variable is y. I use formula, so variable y to x change, right? This is our final. Thank you.